Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Snapchat not opening. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Snapchat, and you need to update your Snapchat. As you can see, my Snapchat is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on the app list. Here you need to search for Snapchat and you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone. Okay, so once you done that, if you still find an issue, you simply need to go and open your browser and search for is Snapchat down and click on the first website, and basically you can check from here. If you see a major spike here, so it means that something happened, something is, you consider Snapchat is currently down. So you need to wait for a few hours because the Snapchat team is working on that. And if you see a flat line like this, so it means that issue is solved and you cannot see any issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.